Power BI Feature Overview. Integrate Power BI reports into PowerPoint presentations. Data is at the core of effective decision-making. Providing the right information in the best format enables businesses to evaluate and monitor their progress. Let's see how you can use Power BI data storytelling to create interactive pages in PowerPoint by embedding Power BI views and reports. Let's say you have a Power BI report that you want to present in your next meeting. To add the report view to your presentation, select Export. You can choose to transfer this live data directly into PowerPoint. Alternatively, you can click Share and select PowerPoint to give recipients access to the report through the link. Next, you have two options. You can either copy the URL to the source report or open a new PowerPoint presentation with the report embedded in a slide. In this instance, a presentation has already been prepared, so let's copy the URL. Now, let's switch to PowerPoint and select the new Power BI button and paste in the URL that was generated. Power BI checks your credentials and verifies that you have access to the report. This Power BI report is now live and interactive. You can easily resize this report to make it fit around any other items on the slide. Unlike a static screenshot, users can now view and interact with the report within the presentation and drill down into the supporting data for better understanding. At the bottom of the embedded report, you can find a link to the report in Power BI and metadata about the report, such as the last time this report's information was updated and the sensitivity label given to the data. Easily refresh the data to make sure you view the latest data from Power BI, or reset to undo any changes you made and view the original state of the report. To clear the current data and start all over again, simply click on Clear Data and paste a new link to reset the chart. Open add-in options to access learning tips for helpful guidance on how to use the Power BI add-in. The data in the chart is also interactive when presenting in slideshow mode. Here you can click elements within the report, change views, and alter how the data is displayed while delivering a live presentation. With embedded Power BI reports in PowerPoint, you can now share up-to-date interactive report data for convenient detailed analyses and collaboration within the familiar PowerPoint experience. You are invited to learn more about Power BI at these links and at powerbi.microsoft.com. Thank you for watching.